If you're wondering how to work with multiple Descript projects at once, you've come to the right place. This guide will help you make the most out of Descript's multi-project functionality, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. Stick around until the end, and I'll also share how you can use Descript for free with exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. Descript is a powerful tool for editing audio and video with its unique transcription-based workflow. You can easily organize and navigate between multiple projects, which can be a huge time saver if you're juggling different types of content. Whether you're working on podcasts, videos, or a mix of both, managing more than one project at once is straightforward in Descript. To start, when you open Descript, you'll notice the Project tab on the left side of the screen. This is where your projects live. You can create a new project by clicking the plus new project button. But if you're managing multiple projects, the key is the workspace feature. You can create separate workspaces for different projects. It helps to keep things organized, especially when working on long-term projects or with multiple clients. Once you have your projects in different workspaces, you can easily switch between them by selecting the Workspace tab at the top of the screen. This saves time, as you won't have to dig through different folders or menus. Descript allows you to quickly jump between projects, letting you focus on the work instead of searching for the right file. Now, if you're working with shared assets, Descript offers something called screen recording projects. If your projects require similar audio, video, or text elements, you can sync files from one project to another. This means you don't have to re-upload the same media multiple times, which cuts down on redundancy and clutter in your workspace. One of the most powerful features of Descript when managing multiple projects is the ability to overdub audio. If you're working on multiple projects where you need to revise scripts or voiceovers, you can record once and use the overdub feature to quickly generate new dialogue across your different projects. This is perfect for content creators who need consistency across various pieces of content, all without re-recording every line. Descript also offers collaborative features. If you're working on multiple projects with a team, you can invite team members to join your project or workspace. They can review, comment, and edit your projects directly, making collaboration seamless. You can set permissions to control who can edit or view specific content, giving you full control over your projects. When it comes to file management, Descript offers a very intuitive import feature. If you have several media files across different projects, you can import and manage them within your workspace. Files can be imported from cloud storage, and Descript automatically syncs them across your projects. Plus, Descript allows you to transcribe and edit directly within the platform, which means you don't need to jump between different tools to manage your work. A little known trick is that you can duplicate projects to create templates for future work. For example, if you have a video podcast that uses similar formatting each week, you can create a template project and duplicate it each time. This way, you're not starting from scratch and can get right into editing without wasting time on setup. So now you've got multiple projects organized, synced, and ready to go in Descript. Whether you're handling content creation for a personal project or managing a team, the software's features let you maximize productivity and maintain a smooth workflow. To wrap things up, if you want to dive deeper into Descript's features and start working with multiple projects more efficiently, make sure to check out the first link in the description. You can access Descript completely for free with some exclusive bonuses just for you. Thanks for watching.